Did you know looking at bright light can make you sneeze? It even has a name, the photic sneeze reflex, and around 1 in 3 people have it. Here's why it happens. Your eyes and nose share connected nerve pathways in your brain. When a sudden burst of bright light hits your eyes, your brain gets the signals mixed up. It accidentally fires a message to your nose instead. And just like that, you sneeze. Scientists think it may even be genetic, passed down through families. Follow us for more fascinating things you never knew you needed to know.